Welcome back to Million Dollar Mansions, the channel where luxury meets architecture and dream homes become reality. Today, we're showcasing a breathtaking modern masterpiece that perfectly blends elegance, innovation, and panoramic natural beauty. This stunning white contemporary mansion is the definition of high-end American luxury living, designed with precision, style, and sophistication in every detail. Perched against a spectacular mountain backdrop, this extraordinary multi-level mansion immediately captures attention with its clean white exterior, sleek gray standing seam metal roof, and expansive floor-to-ceiling glass windows. The architectural design reflects modern minimalism while maintaining a bold and commanding presence. Every angle of this property is carefully crafted to maximize natural light, scenic views, and seamless indoor-outdoor living. As we approach the front elevation, the symmetrical structure and crisp white facade create a striking first impression. Black-framed panoramic windows contrast beautifully against the bright exterior, while subtle landscaping enhances the overall aesthetic. The entrance pathway leads to a grand doorway that sets the tone for what lies inside, refined luxury with contemporary flair. From an aerial perspective, the property reveals its true scale. Multiple levels cascade down the landscape, each featuring spacious terraces enclosed with sleek glass railings. The integration of glass elements not only enhances the modern appeal but also ensures unobstructed views of the surrounding mountains and lush greenery. The architectural flow of the home feels both powerful and harmonious with nature. Moving toward the backyard, the mansion truly transforms into a private luxury retreat. A stunning infinity-edge swimming pool stretches along the rear terrace, reflecting the blue sky during the day and glowing elegantly under ambient lighting at night. The pool area is surrounded by a spacious wooden deck, designed for relaxation and entertainment. Premium outdoor seating areas create the perfect environment for hosting guests or enjoying peaceful evenings overlooking the landscape. The multi-tier terrace design allows each level of the home to have its own outdoor experience. Whether it's an intimate balcony connected to a bedroom suite or a large entertainment terrace adjacent to the main living space, every corner is designed to embrace openness and comfort. The glass fencing system maintains safety while preserving the uninterrupted luxury aesthetic. As evening falls, the mansion takes on a completely different personality. Warm interior lights begin to glow through the expansive windows, creating a welcoming and dramatic visual effect. Exterior LED accent lighting highlights the architectural lines, while the illuminated pool adds a vibrant blue contrast against the white structure. The nighttime ambiance elevates the home into a true architectural showpiece. Now stepping inside, the grand living area immediately showcases the heart of this residence. Floor-to-ceiling glass walls flood the space with natural daylight, creating a seamless connection between interior elegance and outdoor beauty. The color palette remains consistent with the exterior: crisp white walls, soft gray furnishings, and subtle black accents. Marble flooring enhances the luxurious feel while maintaining a clean and modern look. The open concept layout effortlessly connects the living room to the dining area and gourmet kitchen. The kitchen is a masterpiece of contemporary design, featuring sleek white cabinetry, a large gray marble island, integrated high-end appliances, and minimalist lighting fixtures. Every element is thoughtfully placed to combine functionality with aesthetic perfection. The oversized island serves as both a culinary workspace and a stylish gathering point. Adjacent to the kitchen, the dining space is positioned near panoramic glass walls, allowing residents to dine with breathtaking mountain views as a backdrop. A modern chandelier adds elegance without overpowering the minimalist theme. The balance of space, light, and design creates a sophisticated yet comfortable atmosphere. Ascending to the upper level, the glass-railed staircase becomes a statement feature in itself. The upper family lounge overlooks the main living area, reinforcing the home's open architectural concept. Large windows continue to frame the natural scenery, ensuring that every level of the mansion benefits from the stunning surroundings. The master bedroom suite is a sanctuary of luxury. Spacious and serene, it features expansive windows that capture uninterrupted mountain views. Soft neutral tones, elegant furnishings, and refined finishes create an environment of relaxation and privacy. The room seamlessly connects to a private balcony, offering a peaceful outdoor escape. The master bathroom reflects spa-like indulgence. White marble surfaces, a freestanding soaking tub positioned near a panoramic window, a glass-enclosed rainfall shower, and sleek gray vanities combine to create a high-end wellness retreat within the home. Every detail emphasizes simplicity, elegance, and comfort. Additional bedrooms and guest suites maintain the same refined design language, ensuring consistency throughout the property. A dedicated home office space offers a professional yet inspiring environment, enhanced by natural light and scenic views. Every corner of this mansion reflects thoughtful planning and elite craftsmanship. This residence is more than just a home, it is a statement of modern architectural excellence. The seamless blend of glass, steel, wood, and marble creates a timeless luxury aesthetic. The open spaces, intelligent layout, and panoramic integration with nature elevate this property into the realm of true million-dollar living. From its commanding exterior presence to its serene and sophisticated interior, this mansion embodies everything that defines contemporary luxury real estate in America. It is bold yet elegant, expansive yet inviting, and modern yet timeless. Thank you for watching Million Dollar Mansions. If you enjoy exploring the world's most extraordinary luxury homes, make sure to subscribe and stay connected for more breathtaking architectural masterpieces. Your dream mansion might be just one video away. Until next time, keep living the luxury lifestyle with Million Dollar Mansions.